Okay, here we are with another unboxing video. We have the Lookah Giraffe. Take a look at it here. Oh, there she is. That's purple. Right here we have a magnetic cap. Really nice and handy. Here is the mouthpiece, just slides on in. Take a good look at this now. Got Type-C charging on it, has a really good fit in the hand. Just take this off and dip into whatever you're smoking. Then right here has an LED display to show your battery life. 5 clicks on, 5 clicks off. It is the 2 clicks to change temperatures, 3 to preheat for a sesh mode. Just like that. And then, a little secret on here is it is a 510 thread, so you can put all your carts from dispensary and stuff just like that right there. Nice. Said that way too early. This is apparently where I'm showing you the actual 510 thread. My bad. And replacements just like that. Just screw it on. It does come with a replacement tip, and we also sell a 5-pack for the replacements for the quartz tip. We also have ceramic too, if that's what you're feeling.